Now we are entering into Aparna Sarovar Zicon flat. It is west facing, 24th floor, 1910 square feet. This is Puja Mandir, and this is the dining hall, and this is the hall. It is in 24th floor and total 26 floors. You can see that is Nallagandla lake, and this is HCU Central University. This is the kitchen. Still the work is going on, but it's a beautiful flat. On the kitchen window also you can see the HCU. Well placed, floor wise, everything. This is for a common wash basin. This is master bedroom, spacious master bedroom with the 2 windows, and here it's copper wiring and everything is given. From the master bedroom also you can see HCU, and this is the attached bathroom for master bedroom. There are 2 rooms, one is guest bedroom and another is children's bedroom. A large size window and then attached bathroom here. So here in this, here the builder is given fire extinguishers also, sprinklers. This is another bedroom, bathroom. So 1910 square feet, 24th floor, in Aparna Sarovar Zicon. You can reach out us to Say Properties for this flat. Thank you. Bye.